Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. I got some sleep last night, so I woke up early this morning feeling good, and I want to make a video, man. The only bad thing is, for some reason, YouTube is not promoting my long form videos, only my short form. So it looks like I'm gonna have to film a long form video for the people that have a attention span, and short form for the ones who don't. Anyway, in this video, we're gonna be using Black Again by Blackjack Professional Detailers Formula. The reason why we're using this stuff is because it actually works. I bought this for $2.99 at Discovery Outlet. Do you see any difference? No? You see any difference here? All right, cool. This is like real dirty and faded plastic. All right, you guys, we are ready to use this Black Again serum. I used a combination of LA's Totally Awesome mixed with some Dawn Dish Liquid with, I think that's it. But I just went through and I cleaned them up. As you can tell, I did go over this with the LA's Totally Awesome. If you know anything about LA's Totally Awesome, it's La Awesome, for real. Went over everything. All the plastics that you see have been hit up with that combination. I even did the valance. I didn't do this strip, and that goes over the front bumper, but I did this whole license plate piece, the whole lower valance. Just got done doing this whole side. So as you can tell, it's clean. I even did this whole thing right here. I might actually have to go and get a couple more bottles, but this stuff, woo, splat. Basically, you just wipe it on, wipe it off like Mr. Miyagi. But instead of wiping it off, I just rub it in. You just want to force it into those little cracks and crevices. And this right here will last so long, dude. I put this stuff on my motorcycle plastics. Not the fairings, but like around the dash area. It's like raw plastic, I guess you'd call it. Just the same material as this. And it faded out. But it looks just like this now. Look at that, dude. That's crazy. I'm also gonna put it on the paint. Look at that. Do it on this again. Heck yeah. All right, so I got a little bit more on the rag. You can kind of tell where I did it at. Like, this is the cutoff point, like right here. Let's do it again. All right, I might actually have to do this a couple of times. I don't know yet, because this is the first time I've actually cleaned something and then used it like you're supposed to. But dude, this stuff is just amazing. And it's like water repellent too, so it's like hydrophobic. I like that. It's just going to really rejuvenate the plastics. It's going to make the truck look better. I'm just going to use it on the paint too. If any of you guys know what this paint code is, the gold, let me know down in the comments, because I would really like to paint my truck this gold again and get it factory two-tone. Look at this, dude. You can't tell me that that ain't cool. So stuff like this right here, it would work perfect on, but I painted that with spray paint, so it's not gonna work the greatest. Anyway, see all this green? That has been on there for the longest time, ever since I sanded down the door, trying to make it look better. It's been there. So let's go ahead and get rid of it. Look at that. It's gonna make this truck look young. This truck is gonna look so young that old guys are gonna be hitting me up, asking me if they can take it out on a date. Trying to be its sugar daddy. Oh my. Look at that, gone. Pow. Rejuvenation. Dude, I love that. Like, why waste all that money buying new stuff when you can literally just spend $3 and just make it look brand new, dude? You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, this is gonna look so good. This is probably gonna take a lot just because it's so dry. But look at that already. Look at the difference. You can't tell me there ain't no difference. So yeah, I want to do the whole Valance off camera just because it's going to take the longest to do. But we can do this real quick. Look at that. Oh yeah. So I actually painted this mirror. As you guys can tell, the paint did not last. Let's go ahead and see if we can save it. That would be really cool. I need some sponsorships, man, for real. I need some brand deals so I can afford to fix my vehicles, man. By the way, I just want to say thank y'all for watching my videos lately, man. I know my long form videos haven't really been doing well, but my shorts have been doing all right. And my estimated revenue has spiked tremendously, and I haven't seen numbers like that since I first started YouTube. But look at this. Like, man, it's good for everything. This little plastic trim right here is so dry. That's just insane, dude. I want to do the other side off camera and just show you guys what it looks like. Seems how I've already done this whole side, except for that little bumper piece. But yeah, man. From this to this. All right, you guys. Figured I'd show you this. This one was also painted. We're gonna start with right here. Oh my goodness, dude. That is just insane. Wow. Look at that shine. All right, you guys, I just got done with the truck, and here's the end results. This right here has all been rejuvenated except for the plastic trim on the bumper. I just didn't get around to doing it. I got the valves done, license plate, carrier thing done. This whole side right here still looks wet. All of this, the bumper piece, all of that, all of this, pew, pew, pew. Mirror, it even works good on tires too. But anyway, it also works really good on the window trim. Good. I did the grill a while ago, and it came off just a little bit because of the water, but that was a while ago, and half of it, the majority of it, is still really shiny. So anyway, man, this is back again. This is black again. Trim Restorer. Go ahead and get you a bottle and try it out for yourself. Like I said, I got this at Discovery Outlet. I don't know where they actually sell it at. So yeah, it actually definitely does this right here. If I can get it to focus in, something must be on the camera. Okay, I don't know why my camera's being like that, but it's called Black Again. This stuff works great. And like I said, it's hydroscopic, so that means that the water will just bead off of it. This piece right here and that piece right there had 2 rounds of that stuff. You guys got to remember, this stuff was very faded, and it brought it back. So if you just keep up on the maintenance, it'll look amazing. You'll have really good quality trim. So anyway, man, just need to clean up those wheels and tires and do the paint. This thing will look good. But that's all I got for this video. If you guys did like it, be sure to leave a big old fat like. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I really want to do this car, man. Like, that car is so beat.